Add eggs to the cookies and the result will surprise you. Start by placing 260 g of cookie in a glass bowl. It can be that simple cookie that everyone has at home. Now let's add 2 units of eggs and 500 g of milk. This combo is the secret to the creamy texture we love so much. Cover everything with cling film and leave to rest for 10 minutes. This time is essential to soften the cookies. After 10 minutes, it's time to beat the ingredients until the dough is smooth, homogeneous, and has that incredible texture. Now for the sweet touch. Add 150 g of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat a little more and you're done. Use a sieve to pour the mixture into the glass bowl. This trick is to ensure a very smooth pudding, without any lumps. In another pan, caramelize 180 g of sugar with 100 milliliters of water. Leave on the heat until golden brown, stirring gently. The smell is already becoming irresistible. Now pour the caramel into the bottom of the mold and spread it out well. This detail will give our pudding that special touch. Once the caramel is ready, it's time to pour the cream into the mold, carefully, so as not to mix the two too quickly. Cover with aluminum foil and place the pan inside a larger one. Fill with water to make a bain-marie and bake at 170 degrees for 40 minutes. That's it. Our egg cookie pudding is ready and amazing. The texture is impeccable and the taste, even better. Did you like the recipe? Then like the video and follow our page so you don't miss out on anything new. Bon appetit and see you next time.